Did you break your window from the base?
Yes. Got you sneezing.
Yeah.
It sounded right, but the back port's at 21. Probably see a rag back there because they sucked it down.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So what is your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Gale Cox, we got 2 Avatar SVL 18s in the 6th order, 1 to 1.5 ratio with a JP63 running on a half on. Nice. With 120 amp hour C-Max bank and 320 ohm.
Did you build this?
A buddy of mine did.
Looks good.
Oh yeah, it performs decent. Just did a 154.3.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
37.
Okay. Did you? All right. Is it better with this window up or down for like output? You think?
For the hot seat, we're gonna have that up.
Okay.
And then typically the door open or the window down.
Okay.
The door open just lets it move a little bit more.
Okay.
It's mainly for blows and demo.
Okay.
Not necessarily for
So what's the tuning on this?
So the front port, I'm not positive on. It was just something that we kind of put together until it sounded right. But the back port's at 21.
All right. That's an 8-inch?
I do believe that's either an 8 or a 10-inch.
Okay. Nice.
Probably see a rag back there because they sucked it down.
Did you break your window from the base?
Yes. Got you sneezing.
Yeah, the base will make you do that.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. I'm gonna look at the back. What's your alternator battery power?
So 120 amp hour C-Max bank with a 320 amp alternator from Autotech Engineering.
Okay. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for all the info.
Yes, sir.
Came from the bottom, down below. You're in the bottom, I'm sleeping on the floor. Like everybody 40 out of me, got it down. Remember I was in the started from the bottom. down on my
I got some good bandwidth and gets low.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It plays out to 15 hertz.
Wow,
It's just
nice.
it's not the same
Yes, sir.
as 20. remember I was in the a nigga started from the bottom. I was down on my
Nice job. That's awesome. Did you break your window from the bass?
Yes. Got you sneezing.
Yeah, the bass will make you do that.
There you go.
Woo. I'm gonna look at the back. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.